Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT, and in this short video we're going to take another look at our ConnectIt-Workflow Post Lock Updates feature. So this feature has been included in the software for a little while now. By far the highest support query we have is why we have both these update current document and update database record options on the screen. The reason for that, and if you look back at the original remit for the feature, was to allow a user with restricted QuoteWerks access to be able to get into QuoteWerks and update certain fields within a QuoteWerks document. In this particular client that asked for it, it was somebody in the warehouse that didn't use QuoteWerks day to day. They just wanted a simple way for them to be able to update the status of a document and without having to have the ability to unlock a locked document, which was part of an earlier step within the overall process of taking the order through from quotation to delivery. I'm just going to close that now. As you can see, I've got a example test document open here, which is locked. I'm logged in as a user with master rights at the moment, so that means I can lock and unlock that document to my heart's content and change fields, etc, etc. But if we log in as a user with restricted access, we just use this login as other user. Now I don't want to save changes. So I've got a user profile set up here, connect it restricted. This is a user without master rights, and they do not have the ability to unlock documents, which we'll see in a moment. So if I open that same test document again, on the Sale Info tab, as you can see, we've got that locked option there again, but it's disabled. I can click as much as I like and I still can't unlock it. And as for updating the fields I don't stand a chance. But what I can do is go to the Tools menu and open up our Post Lock Updates screen. And this is where I can make the updates. If you've seen the other videos on this, you'll know that I'm just selecting the details that I want to update, and if I tick here, and again, just to reiterate, I've just got the update database record option ticked, not the other one. I'm just going to hit OK. That's prompting me that the save's been successful. Asking me if I want to close the screen. Yes, I do. So on the screen we've still got Joanne selected here. But if I close that and reopen it, go back to the custom tab, you can see the changes are reflected. So as a user with restricted access, I've been able to update this document to be able to assign it to Joanne rather than Joseph. If we look at what could happen if I was to update the document as well, again, just to reiterate, I'm still logged in as that restricted user. I'm going to open up my Post Lock Updates screen again. If we try and reassign it back to Joanne, chosen that by default, that's very nice. And if we do tick this current document option, I'm going to get myself into a bit of a pickle. That's just prompting me that I'm going to be asked if I want to save because of the changes to the document. As you can see, Joanne is now selected here, but as a user that doesn't have the ability to unlock this document, when I try and exit, I'm going to be prompted if I want to save. If I click yes, that's going to tell me I'm not going to be able to do it, and so I've been unsuccessful in completing this task. I hope that explains why we'd use the update database option as opposed to the update current document. I'm going to do another video very shortly as to perhaps why we'd do it the opposite way round. If you have any questions, give us a call or ping me an email. The number's on the screen, 0844 357 7360, or national or international call 0344 357 7360, or the email address steve@hilltopsit.co.uk. I hope you found this useful, and thank you for your time in watching the video.